Has the recent shuffle in the Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation left you scratching your head? Well, you're not alone. The sudden changes have indeed raised quite a few eyebrows. Let's delve into the events as they unfolded. Firstly, on a seemingly ordinary Tuesday, the ZBC board took a surprising step. They appointed a ZANU PF Youth Leader from Masvingo as the acting CEO. This move was part of a swift reorganization allegedly ordered by the Ministry of Information. Charles Munganasa, the newly appointed acting CEO, is not just any board member. He also serves as the ZANU PF Secretary for Administration in the Masvingo ZANU PF Youth League, replacing Asael Machakata, the ZBC finance director who had been acting CEO since February. Munganasa will juggle these dual responsibilities until a permanent CEO steps in. This change was necessitated following the suspension of the previous CEO, Adelaide Chikunguru. However, the surprises didn't stop there. Jackie Gwemende, who had been appointed as acting head of news and current affairs merely a month ago, was suddenly removed. In her stead, Merit Munswambiri was appointed to fill the position, albeit in an acting capacity. As with the CEO's appointment, no reasons were given for this abrupt change. This decision to appoint a ZANU PF official as the face of the public broadcaster has stirred up controversy. More so, because the government recently announced plans to raise $100 million annually for the ZBC. They intend to do this by making it mandatory for all motorists to pay a $92 annual license fee for car radios. The latest changes at ZBC, according to insiders, were ordered by the Ministry of Information. This ministry maintains a firm control over the state broadcaster. To summarize, the recent changes at ZBC include the appointment of a ZANU PF Youth Leader as the acting CEO and the unexpected removal of the acting head of news. These changes, allegedly ordered by the Ministry of Information, have sparked controversy and questions. As we move forward, the effects of these changes on ZBC and its audience will undoubtedly be closely watched.